Hi beauties, welcome back to our channel. This is Sharon. How are you guys? Today I'm super excited because I'm gonna introduce you our newly released color change polygel set. It comes with this little rose gold sequin makeup bag. It's very cute and there are 10 polygels in the bag. 5 of them are sunlight color change polygel, which means the color will change under sunlight or UV light. So you're gonna have completely different nail colors in the room or outside. So this is how they look in the room. 2 of them are glitter polygels. The other 3 are just natural colors. I think it looks pretty cute. Now I'm gonna put my hand under my UV LED lamp and you can see the color change immediately. And if I take away the nail lamp, you can see the color will change back slowly. For a better result, I'm going to show you how the color change in the real sunlight. The left one is how they look in the room. Now I'm opening the door and going outside. Do you see the difference? This is really fun. Now, for the other 5 polygels, 3 of them are glow-in-the-dark gel. They all have little glitter pieces in it. I created this set with the 3 colors, and I'm very happy with it. I think it looks pretty cute already until I turn off the lights. They're so bright and so shiny. I'm totally loving them. This is after I put on my rhinestone. Oh man, they're so beautiful. Now, the last 2 polygel are the temperature color change polygels. The special feature is, for the mood change T026, it could change 3 different colors. In the hot water, it shows yellow. And if you put in ice water, it will show red. And the room temperature, it shows orange only. So you could have different kind of ombre nails with no effort at all. I think this is a perfect polygel set for summer. Think about it. You can easily change your nail colors in the room, going out, in the party, or going to a pool, even when you're washing your hands. If you're interested, the shopping link is in the description below. Please check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.